Students, today's topic is haloalkanes and haloarenes. So, halogens. So, halogens means 78 group elements: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and next one is alkyl. Alkyl means methyl, ethyl, propyl, like that. So, simply we can mention with R. Halogens we can write with the symbol X. Next, aryl means aryl. Aryl means aromatic compounds C6H5, C6H, H5CH2. These are the aromatic. So these are we can call as aryl. So here haloalkanes means RX. Here R means if you take alkyl group haloarenes, if you take aryl group we can call it as haloarenes. So normally how RX comes? So normally if you take any alkanes, suppose take CH3 CH4 example, CH4. So from alkanes, remove one hydrogen and substitute one halogen, and add one hydrogen, one halogen. So remove one hydrogen, add one halogen. That means CH3X. So this CH3X is a model of RX. So this is known as methyl halide. So this X may be fluorine or chlorine or bromine or iodine. That is secondary. But here we got RX model. R means any alkyl group. X means halogen. So that means how we got RX. How we got RX compound. So this is RX. RX means haloalkanes or alkyl halides. How RX arises? So in alkanes, one hydrogen is removed and one halogen is added. That means replacement of one hydrogen by halogen gives the haloalkanes. So ఇక్కడ definition రాస్తాం చూడండి స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇక్కడ definition రాస్తాం చూడండి. Replacement of hydrogen in a alkanes gives haloalkane derivatives. Here why I am calling derivatives? If we substitute one halogen RX, more than one hydrogen replacement also possible, then we can get dihalo derivatives. So monohalo derivatives, dihalo derivatives are there. So simply we can see this CH3Cl. This is monohalo derivative. If you take CH2Cl2, here two halogens are there. So simply we can call it one as dihalo derivatives. Suppose if you take CHCl3, trihalo derivatives. So by replacement of one hydrogen with halogen, we can get monohalo derivative. If we substitute more than one, we can call it as dihalo, trihalo, like that. CH2 double bond CH. This group is known as CH2 double bond CH group is known as vinyl. This is common name. Similarly, CH CH2 double bond CH bond CH2. So this group is known as allyl. Allyl. So suppose if Cl is there, vinyl chloride, allyl chloride. Then next, this is benzene ring, students. Here some group is attached. That's why we are simply left. So here I am writing these names. This is phenyl. This is phenyl. This is benzyl group. Suppose here chlorine is there, phenyl chloride. Here benzyl chloride. Okay. Similarly, so students, here this one is called benzal. This one is called benzo. Benzo. In aromatic, suppose two halogens are there in a 1,2 position. In case X means halogen, students. Actually here, in case of IUPAC, we can mention 1,2, 1,3 like that. But in we are discussing about common names. So this is 1,2 dihalobenzene. This is normally IUPAC name. IUPAC. But we are discussing about common names. Common names means we can call it one as ortho. Okay. Ortho bromo. Sorry. Ortho halo. Orthohalobenzene. This is meta. 1,3 is known as meta. 1,3 is meta. Here 1,4 is there. 1,4 position is known as para. Okay. CH2, CH2Br. See the students, first one. Here I wrote CH3Br. Compound is CH3Br. In CH3 means methyl bromide. Methyl bromide. In case of IUPAC, first we can call as a, actually normal model is haloalkanes. Here alkyl halide. So alkyl halide is a common name. Haloalkane is a IUPAC name. Now tell me students, halo means here bromo. Alkane means methane. Bromomethane. Next one. What about next one? CH3, CH2Br. CH3, CH2 means 2 carbons. So ethyl bromide. Next here, bromoethane. Next one is 3 carbons means propyl bromide. Next one is bromopropane. Similarly, we can write different molecules. See this, students. Here Actually, this group is known as iso. So straight chain having one branch, so that is iso. Iso. How many carbons are there in a round shaped one? Three carbons. So isopropyl bromide. Isopropyl bromide. So in case of IUPAC, we should give numbering. Without numbering, we cannot write name. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So in case of here, in second position, bromo is there. 2 bromo. Totally 3 carbons. 2 bromo propane. We should mention the position of a functional group. Next one. We are increasing one carbon simply. Then tell me student's name. So this one also iso only, similar to that. But number of carbons are increased. So iso, total number of carbons in that molecule 4. So butyl. Isobutyl bromide. Isobutyl bromide. Next one. So here IUPAC name. IUPAC means numbering must be given from functional group. Here bromine is the functional group. So functional group attached carbon is given as 1. And this one is 2. And this one is 3. So now this one becomes branch. Is it okay? So now one bromo, 2 methyl, 1 bromo, 2 methyl propane. So did you understand, students? So here in case of IUPAC name, we should mention the numbering from functional group. So where is the functional group? Br. Br attached carbon is given as number 1. So 1, 2, 3. And second carbon having one branch, methyl group also. Next, CH2 double bond CH bond Cl. So this is called vinyl group. So vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride. So this is vinyl chloride. So what about IUPAC name? IUPAC name means here double bond is there and chloride is there. So we can give numbering from here. This is 1, this is 2. So now tell me students, what is the name of the given compound? 1-chloro ethene. 1-chloro ethene. 2 carbons eth. Double bond is there, ethene. So 1-chloro ethene. Students, here in this case, this is 1, 2 position. So this is 1, 2. So 1, 2 means how to mention 1-chloro, simply 1-chloro, 1-chloro, 2-methyl benzene. This is the IUPAC name. What about common name? So actually benzene. So here 1 chlorine is given as 1, methyl is given as 2. So 1-chloro 2-methyl benzene, that is IUPAC name. In case of common name, benzene containing methyl group is known as toluene. So toluene, benzene containing methyl group is toluene. So toluene means we can write as simply toluene. And in case of here, chlorine also we have to mention. So what about chlorine? So 1, 2 position means ortho, no? So this is ortho position. Orthochlorotoluene. Orthochlorotoluene. Next, here, this one we can give as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 3, 5 is actually symmetrical. So we can call it one as a symmetrical trichlorobenzene. Symmetrical trichlorobenzene. Here we can call numbering. In case of IUPAC, we can give numbering 1, 3, 5 trichlorobenzene. Trichlorobenzene. Next, CHCl3. CHCl3 means, see this CHCl3 is known as chloroform. Chloroform. So another name is, instead of haloform, we can give another name also, but chloroform is commonly using name. So use chloroform for CHCl3. In case of IUPAC, we can call trichloromethane. In methane, 3 chlorines are there. So 3 chlorines are replaces the hydrogens. That means trichloromethane. Here you can tell this CCl4 name, CCl4. CCl4 name is carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride. So IUPAC name is tetrachloromethane. Tetrachloromethane. Next, CH3CH2F, that is ethyl fluoride. Here fluoroethane. So what about the next name, students? CH3CHCl2. CH3CHCl2. See this, only one carbon contains 2 chlorines here. Only one carbon contains 2 chlorines. So this common name is ethylidene chloride. In case of IUPAC, we can give numbering for this carbon. So in one position, 2 chlorines are there. So 1, 1 dichloro. 1, 1 dichloro. So how many carbons are there? Totally 2 carbons. 2 carbons means ethane. 1, 1 dichloroethane. So these are the IUPAC names for haloalkanes, students.